So it's been 3 days of flop shows at Jantar Mantar. Anna Hazare-led agitation finally has gained some momentum. On Saturday morning, the crowd at the Dharna site was very thin, but soon after Anna Hazare's address in the afternoon, a large number of people were seen assembling at Jantar Mantar, and now the crowds are only swelling. The anti-graft crusader in his address lashed out at the UPA and blamed it cheating people of the country. Anna once again reiterated that he will not rest till Jan Lokpal bill was not passed.
Day 4 of Team Anna's indefinite fast demanding their SIT against 14 ministers here at Jantar Mantar, and the question every day that everybody is asking is whether Team Anna would be able to garner the same sort of support that they had last year at Ramlila Maidan. For 3 days the crowds were a problem. We saw empty stands. Even Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal on this stage were not able to gather the same sort of support that they had last year. Weekend, they were expecting a lot of people to come in. Yesterday, they got a lending hand from Baba Ramdev, who came in with thousands of supporters. But today being a Saturday, the crowds are in fact swelling here at Jantar Mantar. There are a lot of people, those who have been coming for the 3 days. The problem was that that Anna's core supporters, the middle class, the students, the working people were not here. But today, as of now, the crowds are swelling. There are about 3,500 people present at Jantar Mantar at this time. Team Anna is trying to create the same sort of pressure on the government that they had last year. Constant appeals from the stage going to the people, asking everybody to come join this final war against corruption. Anna Hazare today, in fact, deviating from his plan. He used to speak at 8 every day. Today he spoke at 1, especially emphasizing on numbers. That is a constant feature. Every Team Anna member realizes that if they don't get the same sort of public support, the government will not heed to any of their demands. And that is the litmus test Team Anna will have to pass. From Jantar Mantar, with camera person Sanjeev, Ankit Tyagi for Headlines Today.